Are you looking for the world's lightest business notebook that you can carry inside the office and show inside your boardroom? I have something for you. So please stay tuned to this video and I will be unboxing what you're looking for. Welcome again to Digital Wrench, and we have something new to unbox today. It's another laptop. It's another laptop from ASUS to be exact, but it's not a gaming laptop. This time it's a business laptop, and we have the world's lightest business notebook. It's the ASUS ExpertBook B9 series. And what we have here is exactly the B9450F. This is the world's lightest business notebook. Yeah, I know, I've said it already. I've already featured this laptop in a previous video last summer. And that video was taken before ECQ was proclaimed here in Metro Manila. So we were able to have a glance, our first glance of the ExpertBook B9450. And luckily, we are one of the first to receive the review unit. Why? It's because I've really shown interest in the ExpertBook B9 series. I've already reviewed a couple of ASUS Expert series laptops and desktops. So this time, we're going to review their brand new product. And looks like this one is very premium. Alright, so we have here in this box, we have here a special sleeve for the ExpertBook series. I'm going to place it here. Right, so this is a sleeve that comes with the ExpertBook series. I suppose this is the same sleeve that I've seen before with the ZenBook series, right? So this could protect. This is additional protection for your ExpertBook B9. Of course, we have other stuff here like the charger. Okay, so this is the power brick. Then you also have, of course, the power cable, right? So one thing I noticed, it doesn't have a special port for charging. This power brick has USB Type-C, so that's great. It means it's universal. Okay, you can charge your laptop. And I suppose this one can be charged with any power bank with power delivery. I'm still not yet sure, but I will confirm that during the review process. And this is the box. It's so nice. See, so this is the ExpertBook B9 series box. I'm really impressed with ASUS nowadays. They're really making some effort to make the packaging a lot more exciting to unbox. You know, you see these designs and all that, makes it even more exciting to unbox. So I'm going to. This page was taken off from the ROG line. So when you pull off the box, the laptop would come out by itself. Very neat trick. And it's now applied on the ASUS ExpertBook series. And we have, of course, is the V9, of course. And we have some user manuals here. Nothing to see actually. I'm going to put this away and let's start discussing the ASUS ExpertBook V9. You know, to be honest, when I saw this laptop in our session with with ASUS way back in March, I immediately fell in love with it because there are so many negative presumptions of having a thin and light notebook, and we mentioned that already in our previous video. You know, negative notions like thin and light laptops are fragile or they're underpowered. Not this notebook. Okay, not this notebook. I swear, not this notebook. But of course, we're gonna do some benchmarks to prove that point. But let me share you the specs why this is not a slouch. All right. So it's powered by the latest 10th Gen Intel Core processor. What processor? It's an Intel Core i7 10th Gen 510U. It comes with 1 terabyte of SSD, comes with 16 gigs of RAM. Screen display is 14 inches with full HD resolution. And another thing that you need to know, this has excellent battery life. These are the things that ASUS has promised me, and I'm going to find out once I start reviewing this ExpertBook B9. Now, if you can notice, it's so thin. I can even hold it easily with my left hand. I'm a right-hander, but I can easily hold it with my left hand. Incredible, right? I like the finish of the ExpertBook B9. It has a black matte finishing. Never seen this in any ASUS laptops before, even in ExpertBooks. So this looks more professional, especially for people who are always in boardroom. This is very, very boardroom material. Even with its light and thin frame, it comes with a lot of ports, alright? So it has 2 Type-C USB ports, it comes with an HDMI, it comes with it seems like a micro HDMI, but this is actually an RJ45 port. You will need an adapter to connect to this port in order for you to use the RJ45 cable. I'm going to explain this in my review very soon. On the other side of the notebook, you have the Kensington lock. You have another full-size USB port here, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So those are the ports of the laptop. Let's open this baby up. The keyboard is large. It has a full-size keyboard. It still has a dedicated number rows atop, but the keys are bigger, and touch is okay. Yeah, because I complained to ASUS during our meeting last March that they're kind of lagging behind when it comes to their keyboard quality. But for the ExpertBook series, particularly for this ExpertBook, travel is good, and this is my ideal size for a keyboard. And then you have the touchpad over here. Oh, another thing that you need to know, it comes with, these speakers are powered by Harman Kardon. So these speakers are loud, because when I tested this out last March, the speakers are indeed loud. It's kind of disturbed the other media friends that we have over there. Another thing that you would notice is the hinge. All right, it has this hinge that would prop up the laptop, and this is beneficial for the ExpertBook B9, so that air can pass through underneath the laptop. In a sense, that would also make it cooler. And of course, you can adjust your viewing angles. All right, but this design was taken out actually from the ZenBook series. I reviewed a couple of ZenBooks before, but this one, man, I'm so glad that they applied it to the ExpertBook series. And look at the screen. The screen is so big. You know, this is a 14-inch laptop, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is a 14-inch laptop screen, but it feels like I have a bigger screen than a typical 14-inch laptop. It has thin bezels, very thin bezels, but it still has a webcam on top. And this webcam even has a protective cover. It's a physical protective cover. So if you do not want to use the webcam, if you're afraid of being spied on by, you know, whatever apps you've installed from any websites, just simply slide the webcam slider to the right and you're protected. Nobody will be able to see what you're doing in front of the webcam. So if you like this unboxing first impressions video of the ASUS ExpertBook B9 series, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/digitalreg, and don't forget to click on the notifications bell. If you have any questions about the ExpertBook B9, please leave those questions in the comment section and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Until then, please stay safe at home and keep on watching Digital Reg.